Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate creative project ideas using AI. So I will be on my ChatGPT platform and identify the project goal, clearly define the purpose, example YouTube video, art piece or business projects. You will just use AI tools for brainstorming on ChatGPT can generate ideas based on your input, and if I just put them example on suggest unique video idea for a travel YouTube channel targeting budget travelers, so I will just tap for the search and let's see the answer. So here are some unique video ideas for a budget travel YouTube channel, and backpacking on $20 a day city guide. You will see if I just scroll down, so it will suggest me 15 ideas. So their ideas combine affordability and adventure, making them perfect for budget conscious traveler. So if I just give them command on example, create create a concept image of cityscapes for a video. So let's see. I will just give them command create a concept image of cityscapes for a video. So let's see, it will generating it. So here you will see it is created a cityscape image concept perfect for travel video. It combines modern and historical elements showcasing a living dynamic atmosphere. Let me know if you are like any adjustment. So if you want to changes in them, you will just ask it and give them command, and ChatGPT will be exchange it. And if I just tap to, you will just also search for analyze trends with AI. Use AI power analytics example on Google Trends, TubeBuddy to identify trending topics. Example, if I just ask what are the trending topics in tech for January 2025, and so if I just give them command to this chat gpt, I will just use a new chat gpt, and if I just give them command to what are the trending topics in tech for January 2025, and let's see. As of January 2025, several technology trends are gaining performance on artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, cybersecurity, information communication technology. So in this way, you can just generate a creative project ideas using AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.